Hello everybody, it's Meme and the babies, and we're here to wish you a happy Theme Thursday. And this week is flowers and trucks. And right here I have Emily, and she is wearing a cute little flower headband with yellow on the inside. And she has on a little dress that's got flowers. And her sister Kyrie right here with her flower headband has got a matching dress. They look so cute sitting together. And over here is little Gilly. And Gilly has a flower headband, and she has on some pretty little jammies that have flowers all over it. Flowers in pink and in yellow, purples and blues, mint greens. And right up here, we see little Briar. And she has a flower headband on, and she's wearing a long flower dress with all bright flowers on it, ready for spring. And she's laying on a little froggy. And up here is Lily. And Lily has a flower headband. And she has a little onesie thing, sleeper maybe, short sleeves. It's got little bunnies and little flowers. I don't know, can you see the pink flowers? It's got a pretty ruffle butt and ruffles on the feet. And she's with her little teddy bears. And up here, we still have Indy in her flower dress because it was so beautiful, so many flowers. We just didn't want to take it off. And here is Adam. And he is playing with his little shirt, and it's full of steamrollers and all sorts of construction vehicles. There's a crane, different little construction trucks. And right here's Holland, and he has a shirt that says, it's gray and it says, wow, cool. It's got a skateboard and trucks and bees and airplanes and robots, some little black pants. And he's wearing his little star sneakers. Shoes. Such cute shoes. And right here is sleepy, sleepy baby Yaya. And she's got a big flower headband. She's by this big, big flower. And she's got her binky in. And her little outfit has flowers and foxes and little flowers on the feet. And she's just sleeping away by her big flower that matches the unicorn blanket. And right here we have baby Zuri. And she is wearing a little flower headband. And her little outfit has flowers, pink flowers and blue flowers and green flowers on elephants and giraffes and tigers. And then right down here is Christmas. And she has a flower headband on and a little onesie piece. And it's got a flower on it and two ladybugs and a plaid bottom. And all these little headbands like this I got at the dollar store. Aren't they gorgeous? And down here is little Dusty. And he's ready to go outside. He's kind of upset we have to wait. But he has on his little shirt with a button collar. And it's got monster trucks on it with matching monster truck shorts. And his little sneakers, shoes again. Woohoo! Love them. Love some shoes for my little girls. I only have 2 pair for the boys. And here's Joey. And Joey has on a little onesie. It's white background with a school bus and a train and a cement mixer truck and a big rig truck and a helicopter. All sorts of things to play in the dirt with. He's got on some little blue pants. And then up here, ready for bed, is little Frankie. And he's just wearing a long shirt as a night shirt. And it says hauling off to bed. And it's got a big dump truck on it. I was running out of little truck things. So there's Joey and Dusty and Zuri, Yaya, Christmas, Gilly, Briar, Lily, Indy, Adam, Holland, Emily, and Kyrie. And we all want to wish you a happy Theme Thursday. Hope you have a wonderful week. And we'll see you again next week. Love, Meme and the babies.